Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to learn computers or you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Excel and as well as in Microsoft Word. And we'll start with the introduction. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So Format Painter is a tool that helps you copy formatting from one cell or from one word and apply it to the other. This saves time and keeps your work, your spreadsheet clean and consistent. What is formatting? Formatting includes font type, font size, text color, cell color, and borders. And format painting, this is what we call Format Painter. It's a brush. What is a format painter? A format painter allows you to copy all formatting from one cell, applying it to other cells or multiple cells. Steps to use a format painter. The first step is to select the cell in the Excel. Then click the cell with the formatting you like. Then the second step is to click Format Painter, and this is the Format Painter. Then go to the Home tab, click the Format Painter or the paintbrush icon. And the third step is to apply the formatting. So you'll just need to click or drag over the cells you want to format the paint, and the formatting will be pasted to your cells. Copying formatting to multiple cells, double click Format Painter, then apply formatting to multiple cells by pressing Ctrl, by moving your painter across the cells, and then to stop, you press Escape. An example, select cell 1, bold, click bold, then if it has a yellow background, then use the format painter, then apply the same to the other style, to, for example, B1, that is maybe row B1, cell B1, or D1, and you'll see it paints. Let me show you an example. For example, I want to copy, to format paint this word. I want to bold, maybe, for example, I want to bold this yellow to have to be bolded. So I'll just highlight this example, then come to this brush. Once I click brush, I'll come and select this word, and as you can see, all the words that have been highlighted have been bolded. That is basically what we call format painting. Then, benefits of format painting: it saves your time. You don't need to go and put it manually. You'll just select, then paint, and then pass through by copying the painting. It keeps data consistent. It makes your spreadsheet or your Word document to look more professional. Then the other thing is the common mistakes that happens uh, while format painting: forgetting to select the correct source cell, and the other thing is not turning off format painter when you're done. Uh, Practice activity: format one cell which has color, bold, and borders. Then use format painter to copy to the 3 other cells. So for example, I'll show you using Word document. For example, if I want to format paint, for example, this is the word that I want format paint. It's highlighted in yellow, it's bolded, it's underlined, it's italicized. It has all those bolded, sorry, and it's it is underlined, it is italicized. So I want to copy this format to this to this word powerful. So I'll just come to this section and then click my format painter, this brush. Once I select like that, I move my cursor to the words that I want to copy the formatting. And voila, that's exactly what it means to format paint. The same applies in Word document or in Excel sheet. For example, if you have formatting that you have forgotten where you can change, you can always format paint where you want to copy the paint and then uh, move to the other document and then format paint your work. And this brings us to the end of today's presentation. If you relate to this type of content, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and see you in the next video. Bye.